First patch of snow. Snow in Vegas. Come here often? No, seriously, I'm talking to you. Do you come here often? Just being silly. Good morning. Happy Saturday. We're gonna go climb some mountains. The highest point in southern Nevada today, Mount Charleston. Pretty awesome. But first, I received a package from my mother. Let's see what that is. My mom got me a lot of different things.
Oh, is this for your birthday?
Cinnamon roll protein, Atlas of the Heart by Brene Brown. Something that I don't know what it is. For my birthday. Some new jorts. Love them. Oh, she got me that linen drip.
Jorts?
Linen drip.
Ooh.
Highest vibrational clothing. Linen dripping. Did I tell my mom that I was feeling myself in the linen?
Yes.
I did tell her that? Ooh, more linen. Nice.
Ooh,
I'm about to be
like it.
dripping in these.
I think you're gonna look so good in that long suit.
Yeah. You guys don't know, linen is the highest vibrational fabric, in my opinion, on the planet. Wear it and you'll feel amazing. My mom also got me some beautiful sage. As a kid, my mom would always light sage and Palo Santo in the house. It's, and that smell is just so deep rooted in my childhood. It's like ratatouille. All right, gotta get a little bit of work done, answer some messages inside the Leah community, get some emails banged out. Then we're gonna make some pancakes probably and get on the road here in a little bit. And yeah, just enjoy a slow Saturday. Going down, going down. Pancakes in the town, pancakes in the town. Quick stop at the supercharger up to Mount Charleston Wilderness. Beautiful. First patch of snow. Snow in Vegas. Sounds good. Sarah and I are both realizing that maybe we're not that in shape. Taking a little rest up here on the rocks. We're at about 8,000 feet in elevation and it is kicking our ass.
We're in strength shape, but elevation is really hard. If you don't live in a place in high elevation, it makes cardio like 10 times harder.
Yeah, lightheaded, weak feeling, but we're taking in the view, relaxing. We're pretty close. And it's just so incredible to see this. About 40 minutes from Vegas, northwest.
Does not look
white
like you're in
mountains.
Vegas.
Yeah, it's beautiful. All right, after a trudging journey, we've made it. It is insane. All these icicles. That's beautiful. What do you think?
Definitely worth it.
Woohoo! Big chunks of ice falling down. Yeah, so I was over there under the waterfall and like snowballs were spitting out from it. Woo! Well, we conquered the mountain. I got a decaf Americano and a bagel. Sarah's not feeling good. All right, we got a big game night going down at the house tonight. We just picked up some food and we're picking up alcohol, which feels so foreign. I got a Pinot Noir. Here's Sarah stumbling, looking for it. Now, when I tell you guys we never drink, it's really, really the truth. Which one are you gonna get? Didn't you want a lemonade?
Yeah, but this is like all sugar.
Oh my.
35 grams of sugar.
Holy Toledo.
Yes. And he's tried.
And he used, I mean,
He's tried to offer to come on as a PTBI coach.
Hello, dog. We got a couple lobsters from Maine. I should have no idea where he's from. Oh man, first time cooking lobsters. How do you feel about that, babe?
It's not my first time cooking lobsters.
Boy,
but
you look like a midget right now. Micro. Oh my god, babe, you're tiny. Alright, Zach's CPA sent lobsters. Let's give it the old taste test. Oh, good?
Oh, good.
Some butter right here,
Put
babe?
some seasoning on it.
Oh, we forgot to get lemon.
I didn't put any. We don't have lemon. We only have limes. But I
You put salt?
If you have
in the
forks,
butter.
That's good.
Yeah, we have
Forks?
forks.
You put salt on
It's
it.
actually, yeah, it's a lot of meat.
Yeah.
So-
This is dessert.
Alright, so last night, I had a bunch of friends over, game night, all that jazz. A couple interesting things though. One, smoking cigars. Now, I'm not much of a smoker per se, but there's something really fun about smoking cigars with friends. And I think what happens is a cigar is such a slow burn. It's a 45-minute to 60-minute commitment to be with someone. So I think smoking a cigar by yourself, sure, fun. Smoking it with others, really fun. So it was Zach's birthday, like a week or so ago. And the funny story about Zach. Zach and I grew up together. We were arch enemies in 7th grade. I don't even know about what, but we just had a bone to pick. We got in a fight in the middle school bathroom. And it was honestly probably because there's a lot of parallels in who we were. We always say we're the yin to the yang. We're the complete opposites, but we also have oddly many shared values. But we are, on paper, total opposites. But we're both Tauruses. Our birthdays are 4 days apart. We've known each other for what feels like our whole lives. What was interesting is I went to high school at a different high school than he did. I went to Carmel High. And I started working out. I was 115 pounds my junior year of high school. I wanted to change the way I looked. And I really enjoyed fitness. Like, I never played sports growing up. I never had a physical outlet. I think man or woman having a physical outlet, it's just a non-negotiable, at least for me. I can only speak for myself. But in high school, especially back then, like, fitness has changed. But if you were weird if you were working out, like, it's definitely more pop culture now to work out. But back in like the mid 2000s, very, very weird to be working out. So really no one at my school resonated. And there's a difference between the meatheads that worked out for football practice versus the dudes that worked out just because they liked working out, right? So he sees that I'm working out, and he's at a totally different high school about 45 minutes away, same town though. He hits me up, he's like, dude, I'm also obsessed with working out. We should go work out together. And we rekindled our friendship. We both got into fitness at the same time, both got into self-development at the same time, both started our businesses at the same time. And we've had this really interesting kind of parallel track with our lives. And again, we're radically different, but we are so similar at the same time. So last night was a bit of a celebration both for him and for myself. And we had his videographer, Nick, over at the house, and then one of his students from his business, which is PTBI, Personal Trainers Business Institute, I believe. You guys can look at him on Instagram. His name is Zach Colburn. One of his craziest students, his name is Craig McClure. This guy's an absolute savage. He started his business when he was a senior in high school. He's 21 years old now. He'll do a little under $1 million in revenue this year. Not many 21-year-olds can say that's pretty crazy. I met Craig years ago when Zach and I were doing our impromptu fake marathon through the perimeter of New York City, where we ended up running 30 miles through the whole perimeter of Manhattan. It was, crazy. So we met him on that trip. So that was last night. Super cool, super fun. We played, what was the card game we played?
It's called Awkward, I think.
We found this card game called Awkward on Amazon. It is the most outrageous card game, and I could not recommend it highly enough. It is definitely worth buying.
It's a great icebreaker.
It's extremely inappropriate. It makes you do physical things. It makes you tell secrets. It's like it includes everything. It's amazing. But now we're on our way to the gym. Sarah and I pretty much exclusively never work out together. I don't like working out with other people typically, but today's a special day. We're gonna work out together. We're gonna do a full body workout, so we're gonna take you guys along for what that looks like. You guys can just emulate, rip off this workout. You're probably gonna have a great pump, have a great time. No promises that we'll all look the same at the end of it, but you very well can get more jacked from it. So we'll see. See you guys.
Sumner's trying to look like me. That's why we're working out together.
All right, before we get back to the video, I want to just share one thing. we've launched our land investing scholarship program. This gives you access to the Leah Group Coaching Program via our scholarship. We are accepting 10 members every month, starting this month. If you guys want to apply, you'll see the link down below in the bio. Anyways, back to the video. Whole gym, no one here. Perfect Sunday. This is Sarah's inspiration right here. You're getting close, babe. You're getting really close. All right, whole gym to ourselves. Vibes are immaculate. Music's bumping, so I'm gonna take a step outside. Here's the workout for you guys that want to follow along. 15-minute or so, big dynamic warm up. Stiff. I've been running a lot, so need some serious warming up going on. Then we're gonna start with pull-ups. We're gonna move on over to a dumbbell goblet squat. We're gonna go and do farmer's carries up and down this little turf strip. Supersetted with walking lunges, 2 sets of that. We're gonna do a seated cable row. We're gonna go do some ab work, and we're gonna do a ski erg machine. Cue the montage. You guys will see the visuals in 3, 2, 1. Let's get it.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wait.
We're 55 minutes into the workout. God damn!
Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me, but they hate from inside. You see, hate the
Spectacular workout. That's representative of how a lot of my trainings looked lately.
But he finally let me train with him, and wasn't that so nice?
It was nice. I've been running about 20-25 miles a week, and then doing like some more full body functional stuff, because honestly just lifting like a bodybuilder gets really boring. What you guys saw at the end though, that very last clip, is a bizarre challenge that Sarah and I are trying to do, where I go on the pull-up bar, she goes on simultaneously. While hanging, I gotta take my shirt off, give it to her, and she has to put it on. As you guys saw, I did my part. Unfortunately, Sarah did not follow through on her responsibilities. A couple weeks ago, Sarah and I got into a challenge, and the challenge was, could she hit glutes twice a week for 2 weeks? I said if she did, she'd get brand new Lululemons. Now, why is that even important? Well, one, Sarah has this weird thing where she only likes to hit upper body, and I'm like, you should hit legs more. All the guys can probably relate to me. You want your girls to hit legs. Or girl.
It's a mutually beneficial agreement.
It's a win-win. So anyways.
And I get to live out my childhood dreams of trying on clothes and letting my boyfriend pick them out.
Yeah, so like the man I am, man of my word, we're going to Lululemon on Sunday. I could not think of anything more boring than going shopping. But we're going to go do it. But I will say I am setting a time limit.
I also think this is the first time we have ever shopped in a store together.
Probably first and last. 30 minutes is the time limit I'm setting.
Oh, I think I could do it faster than that.
All right. See you guys there. We are at some random mall in Summerlin. Actually super nice here. I went here the first time I ever came to Vegas when we were thinking about moving here. We came to a restaurant called Harlow. If you're ever in Vegas and you like meat, you're not a vegetarian, you're not a vegan.
Like meat.
Go to Harlow. Legit the best steakhouse I've ever been to. Beyond that, it is a crash course on customer service. The customer service there, the attention to detail is shocking. It's unbelievable. Harlow, Harlo, I think. There might be a W on that. I'm not sure. We're about to go to Lululemon right now.
Also, if you like hot yoga, True Fusion has absolutely fire hot yoga classes and is in the same mall.
Nice.
Just try it on.
Well, somehow I got very lucky. Sarah didn't like anything in there.
I didn't, unless I really love it, there's no buying nice activewear is like, you gotta really love it. It's gotta be a hell yes or it's a hell no. There's a spending tip for you in life. If it's not a hell yes, it's a hell no.
So now we're waiting for sandwiches. Kicking it in the Vegas sun. It's beautiful out. Perfect weather.
Probably go home, read some more,
Get some work done.
get a little work
Chill.
done.
Good day. We bought a trampoline. We thought it was going to be just for bouncing, and we bounce on it a lot. But just coming out here, laying and reading, we bring 2 pillows out here. We miss the sun. Usually the sun's blaring on this, but so nice. Something about laying on a trampoline that just feels really good. Reminds me of my childhood too. We used to sleep on a trampoline at home. It's pretty awesome. Guys, we're gonna end this video here. A few things that I want to throw down. First off, we are working on, I got milk on my lip. Jeez. We are working on something that has never been done before in the land space. We're doing a 0 to hero challenge. I'm taking 2 folks that have 0 land investing experience and taking them in 90 days to doing hopefully 6 figures in the land business. We're giving them $10,000 to start with. We're taking them from A to Z, and this is something that we're going to be putting out for everyone. It's going to be super, super exciting. I was just working on that 2 days ago. We just had our first session recording it, so going to be exciting. I'll keep you guys in the loop with that. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up or don't, whatever you want to do. If you're looking to start or grow or even scale a current land investing business in 2023, you're looking to get to 6 figures or even 7 figures in a land business while buying back more time in your life, click that link down below and Calendly, schedule time to speak with myself and see how we can get you up and running. Anyways, guys, we'll talk soon. Take care.